Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video series I will be talking about D3JS. D3JS is the data driven documents. You get the hang of it. So this is a JavaScript library for manipulating documents based on data. Suppose you have a lot of data in your hand and you want to make something cool out of it with the use of D3, and you can actually make these amazing documents with it. If I just click some of them, you can get some more ideas. So the first one is something called choropleth. So in this document you can see over here, this is the unemployment rate by country. So the areas with the lighter color has less unemployment rate than the areas with brighter color. So you can actually make something like this with D3JS. If I go over here, this is the zoomable sunburst. So you can get some cool zoom effect. If I click here, if I click here, you get different data. If I click here, I get different data. So if I click here one more time, and here you can see this is going backwards. So you can actually get a lot of data with this amazing transition. And one more thing, that you can actually make cool graph with it. This is also the unemployment rate by country. So here you can see at this point the unemployment rate is high comparing to these points where unemployment is almost next to zero. So you can make something like this, and we will go through these codes also. If I just change this one, instead of 40 I'm writing 10, and here I'm gonna click on play. Here you can see we have densed graph, but when I click I have written 10 and click on this, you can see we get something like this. So you can actually change the graph according to your need and with the help of these codes. So let me know whether you guys are enjoying the series or not, cause I'll be covering as much as possible with D3JS, so you guys can carry on your own whenever you feel the need of making some new document with the data you have. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.